Ghetto Van Adventures. Mike is rocking the camera.
And I have no idea what we're doing today, Dave.
Well, it's windy, that's one thing.
Yeah,
so.
but sunny.
And sorry if you're getting a little wind noise. We are sorry.
Dave's just going to yell louder so you can hear him.
Yeah. We're going to clean the throttle body. Now, I got to do an oil change in the van. Okay? It's that time. Springtime, I always clean up the throttle body because it gives me better idle quality because of the idle air motor, everything else. It just makes the thing run smoother. So I'm going to show you how I do it on the van. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to take off this clamp. I'm just going to loosen it off quite a bit. Okay? There, that's nice and loose there. Now, pull the little breather hose out. Now I'm going to disconnect the air filter piece. That's just with the clips. You can go back on our video and see replacing
the air filter.
The air filter, yeah. So once I get this off, just give it a little twist. There, look at that.
Look at that.
Comes right off.
Ooh.
And
look at that nice clean filter too.
That just popped off. That should have been plugged in. When you pull that off, I should have told you before that. See that there?
Yeah.
That was plugged in. So anyway.
Be careful. I'll plug that first.
Yeah, unplug that first. I should have said that. Now, just come around and show them. When you step on your throttle,
we're going in there.
Yeah, when you step on the throttle, you see all this black garbage? Look at that. That's crud. Put your finger on that,
I'm not
Mike.
touching that. I got clean hands.
Okay. That's
not getting my princess hands all dirty.
Now you see there's a little gap. This sits partially open. Okay? Now when that gets around there, builds up around there, it builds up. Look at this. Look at that.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is I'll spray it down with some throttle body / carb cleaner, and I'll wipe it all down.
So there's actually a cleaner for this on the market.
Yeah, you can use carb cleaner or throttle body cleaner. Don't use brake cleaner. Okay?
So we found the carb cleaner, we're spraying it in, and we're not being afraid to apply generously, are we?
No, just let it soak in there for a couple minutes, and then we'll wipe it all down and do it again.
It's already super clean.
Yeah, oh yeah. Look at that.
Ah.
Look at that. Ah. See? Disgusting.
Just get in there and wipe it out with a paper towel, huh?
Yep. Or cloth towel, whatever. Just get it clean. Clean the plate, the throttle blade. You see how that still has some on there? So clean right in as much as you can. Like get it all top, bottom. Look at that. Look at that. It's disgusting, see? Now you can get you can get a nylon brush. Get down. I don't like sticking things really down the throttle body. Now, here's what I'm going to do again.
I think you're going to spray it again.
Yep.
Because apparently it's not clean enough for you.
You can use a toothbrush because you have better control on it. Sometimes I get a toothbrush cheap, which I'm going to do. I don't stick. Some people get those like long nylon brushes. I don't like those because if anything ever happens, it's so far down your intake. So. And on this one, this opening right here is for your idle. This takes air in through here, so I always spray this up in here too.
Smells lovely.
Look at that run out.
Dave just left, so I'm not sure what we're doing now, but I'll come back when he comes back. Dave just all of a sudden showed back up.
Well, it was a new toothbrush. You can have this one when I'm finished if you want.
Delicious.
See, it's just a little scrub. Like, you're not going to get all of it, but you know what? Get what you can. See? Yeah. Okay.
We're going for a third spray?
Yeah. Now, some people leave the thing on. I try it, but if it doesn't stick on, to hell with it. Take it off. Soaker. There, she'll run out. Pick up a paper towels. Give it a wipe down. See how clean that is now?
Yep.
Compared to when we started?
You can see the difference.
Yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Still, it gets a lot off, but now, there you go. Now when you start it up, see the thing is when you start it now, it's gonna suck any that's in there through, and it'll be a little dirty when it starts up. That's why it could go past the oil rings. So that's why I always do this, drive it a little bit and then change the oil. That way you don't contaminate your fresh oil. So I'll throw it back together now.
Now we have one tiny clean part in this whole dirty engine.
It is a dirty engine.
So you're putting that little clip thing back on there.
Yeah.
Tight fit.
Yeah, it's just a pain to do.
Yeah.
There we go. So just give it a little wiggle. Make sure these back pieces go in. Nice little tabs fit in. Put your snaps on. Front and a nice click. Yeah.
Tighten this back up.
One in the front too. You don't have to reef on it. It's not gonna. Right. We're just making it tight. Clips on. Now, the keys are inside. Give me a second. The keys.
So Dave forgot to put the one hose back on. We just plugged it in, and now he's going to start his van.
Might need a little help, sir. Hear that? This will stall because remote start.
Oh, okay. So now what?
It'll start.
Oh, we're waiting for it to start again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Purrs like a kitten.
So there you go. That's how to clean one part of your dirty, dirty engine.
So yeah, the throttle bite, you'll get better throttle response, smooth idle. Like if your idle's kind of wonky, give it a good cleaning. Get up and around. This is your idle air control here. So get up and spray that little top part there, clean all out, and hopefully you'll get a better idle, smoother idle, smoother acceleration. Plus all this crap that you're putting down there, okay? It goes into your, like, in through your intake and down your combustion chamber. So it's cleaning everything out. Like I say, take it for a little run for a day or two, then change your oil, because you don't want the contaminants getting in your fresh oil, like I said. And there you go. Like, they charge good money for that at the shop. And how long did it take us? 10, 15 minutes?
At the most, yeah.
I didn't even have all the stuff there. I was walking around getting the wrench and the spray and the key and toothbrush. Now I can use the toothbrush for cleaning other stuff. There. So this cost me, that was $5, and I can, it's not even half empty. And this I got, I think it was $1.50.
Yep.
So if you went to a shop, you'd lose your car for a little while because it's sitting there, and it would cost, I don't know, $50, whatever. So there you go. That helps you out. Do you think you can do it, Mike?
I could totally do it because I'm so mechanically inclined.
Well, I think you could.
Yeah.
I think you could do this pretty easy.
Yeah.
So there you go, guys. Hope it helps. You like the channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and maybe I'll see you out the road. Take care. Be safe out the road.